Top 15 keto dinners that every diabetics must know. Lower blood sugar. Everyone thinks diabetics have to give up real dinners. But what if I told you that's completely wrong? If you're living with diabetes, chances are you've been told to go low carb and never look back. But here's the truth. What works for one person doesn't always work for another. That's not just my opinion. The American Diabetes Association itself says there's no perfect diet for everyone. And that's actually amazing, because it means you've got more freedom than you've been led to believe. But let's be honest, finding dinners that actually taste good and don't spike your blood sugar? That's the hard part. Because eating healthy shouldn't feel like punishment. You want meals that are quick, full of flavor, and keep your numbers in check without making you feel like you're missing out. You want dinner to feel normal again. That's why I made this list. These 15 keto dinners are not only safe for diabetics, they're so good, you'll actually look forward to them. They're low in carbs, rich in flavor, and most importantly, they don't feel like a compromise. Whether you're new to this or a diabetes pro, these recipes will change how you do dinner. 1. Stuffed chicken breast. Stuffed chicken breast is one of those meals that feels way too good to be healthy. The chicken comes out juicy, flavorful, and comforting, like something you'd crave on a lazy Sunday. It's packed with creamy mozzarella, fresh basil, and sun-dried tomatoes that bring a rich, almost sweet kick. Add a little curry and paprika, and the smell alone will make your kitchen feel like a five-star restaurant. What's wild is that this dish keeps your blood sugar steady, even though it tastes like pure comfort food. No bland, dry chicken here. It only takes 25 minutes to make, and you don't need sides because it's filling all on its own. And here's the best part. Just 262 calories, 9 grams of carbs, and 46 grams of protein. It's the kind of dinner that makes you wonder why healthy eating ever felt hard in the first place. 2. Low-carb zucchini lasagna. This low-carb zucchini lasagna is the ultimate way to enjoy the comfort of lasagna without the carbs. Instead of pasta, thin slices of zucchini create those rich layers you crave, adding a fresh, slightly crunchy texture that pairs perfectly with cheese and lean ground meat. What makes it stand out is that you get all the delicious flavors without the blood sugar spike, thanks to the zucchini taking the place of heavy pasta and sauce. It's also super easy to throw together, making it the perfect go-to dinner when you need something hearty and healthy. And here's why it's perfect for diabetics. It has just 244 calories, 13 grams of carbs, 30 grams of protein, and 8 grams of fat. It's a satisfying, low-sugar and filling meal that will keep your blood sugar in check and your taste buds happy. 3. Spinach Rolls. These spinach rolls are a game changer if you want a healthy, vegetarian-friendly dinner that's both satisfying and full of flavor. Fresh spinach, eggs, and cheese come together to create a savory filling that's comforting with just the right amount of spice. What makes this recipe great is how easy it is to make and how well it keeps in the fridge. You can prepare a batch at the start of the week and have a delicious, grab-and-go meal ready for days. It's hearty enough to fill you up, but light enough so you don't feel weighed down. Plus, it's packed with nutrients to keep your body happy and blood sugar steady. With only 310 calories, 19 grams of carbs, 27 grams of protein, and 10 grams of fat, it's the perfect balance for anyone looking to eat healthy without sacrificing taste. 4. Coconut chicken soup. This coconut chicken soup is like a warm hug in a bowl. The creamy coconut aroma fills your kitchen, instantly making you feel cozy. But it's not just the smell. It's loaded with flavor and healthy ingredients. Tender chicken breast, fresh vegetables, and smooth coconut milk combine to create a hearty soup that's perfect any time of year. It's light, yet satisfying, keeping you full for hours without feeling heavy. The best part? It's super easy to make, making it ideal when you need something quick but comforting. With just 231 calories, 12 grams of carbs, 17 grams of protein, and 13 grams of fat, it's the perfect meal for diabetics looking to keep their blood sugar in check. Whether you're cooking for a cozy dinner or prepping for the week, this soup is sure to be a hit. 5. Marinated turkey breast. This marinated turkey breast is the definition of simple but delicious. With minimal effort, you get maximum flavor. The turkey marinates for just 30 minutes, soaking up the balsamic vinegar and herbs, which gives it a deep, tangy taste. Then, it's just 5 to 8 minutes on the frying pan, and dinner's ready. It's quick, easy, and packed with lean protein to keep you satisfied. The rich balsamic vinegar and fresh herbs perfectly complement the juicy turkey. At just 348 calories, 5 grams of carbs, 41 grams of protein, and 14 grams of fat, it's the perfect meal for anyone who wants to eat healthy without sacrificing taste. This marinated turkey breast is ideal for anyone short on time but craving a hearty, flavorful meal. 6. Easy beef fajitas. These easy beef fajitas are the perfect meal for anyone who loves vibrant, flavorful dinners but doesn't want to spend hours in the kitchen. Seriously, you can have these fajitas ready in less than 20 minutes, from the moment you decide to start cooking to when you're sitting down at the table. The best part? They're packed with color, flavor, and all the right nutrients. You've got tender, lean beef, crisp bell peppers and onions, all seasoned with a mix of spices that make every bite pop. The beef is high in protein, which is great for keeping you full and satisfied, while the veggies add crunch and freshness. Plus, these fajitas are a great way to enjoy a meal that's healthy without sacrificing taste. With only 336 calories, 11 grams of carbs, 31 grams of protein, and 17 grams of fat, they're the perfect combination of filling and nutritious, making them a go-to meal when you're short on time, but still want something that's delicious and good for you. This recipe is definitely a winner when it comes to easy, low-carb dinners that don't feel like a compromise. 7. Prosciutto-wrapped chicken breast. The prosciutto-wrapped chicken breast may look fancy, but trust me, it's super easy to make and will impress anyone who tries it. The combination of tender chicken breast, rich cream cheese, and salty prosciutto creates an incredibly juicy, flavorful dish. As the chicken cooks, the prosciutto crisps up, adding a nice texture and depth of flavor that makes each bite a treat. I like to add a little basil and pepper for extra flavor, but you can mix it up and use whatever dried herbs you have on hand. Oregano, thyme, or rosemary all work perfectly. What I love about this recipe is that it feels indulgent, yet it's actually really healthy. With just 294 calories, 2 grams of carbs, 39 grams of protein, and 12 grams of fat, it's a perfect dinner for anyone watching their blood sugar, but still wanting something delicious and satisfying. It's the kind of dish you'll want to make again and again, whether you're feeding the family or preparing a special meal for yourself. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, blood sugar-friendly tips. And if you have any questions or need advice, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help in any way I can. 8. Baked pork chop in tomato sauce. These baked pork chops in tomato sauce are absolutely mouth-watering. The pork chops are drenched in a rich, savory sauce made with tomatoes, onions, and melted cheese, creating a flavor explosion with every bite. The best part? It's super easy to make. In just 30 minutes, you'll have a dish that tastes like it took hours to prepare. The pork comes out juicy and tender, perfectly complemented by the tangy, cheesy tomato sauce. It's a hearty, comforting meal that's packed with protein to keep you full without spiking your blood sugar. With only 405 calories, 16 grams of carbs, 44 grams of protein, and 17 grams of fat, it strikes the perfect balance of flavor and nutrition. This dish is a quick, easy, and delicious option that fits right into your healthy eating goals. 9. Instant pot chicken chili. If you have an instant pot, this chicken chili is a must-try. It's a delicious green chili, chile verde, full of bold flavors, and can be made in less than 30 minutes. What I love about this recipe is how simple it is. You only need a few ingredients, and the Instant Pot does all the hard work. It's made without beans or tomatoes, so you get a hearty, satisfying chili that's lower in carbs, but still full of flavor. The chicken comes out tender and juicy, and the combination of green chilies, onions, and spices gives it the perfect kick without overwhelming your taste buds. Whether you're in the mood for a cozy dinner or meal prepping for the week, this chili is a great option. With only 253 calories, 9 grams of carbs, 30 grams of protein, and 12 grams of fat, it's a healthy choice for anyone managing their blood sugar. Plus, it's so easy to make, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. 10. Turkey Meatballs. These turkey meatballs are a total game changer. They're made without breadcrumbs, so they're lower in carbs but still incredibly juicy and packed with flavor. I love how simple this recipe is, just a few ingredients and they're ready in 40 minutes. The turkey is lean, giving you a big protein boost without the extra fat. Plus, these meatballs are super versatile. You can enjoy them on their own with your favorite sauce or add them to a salad or low-carb pasta. What's great is how tender and flavorful they are despite not having breadcrumbs. Each serving has 183 calories, 12 grams of carbs, 31 grams of protein, and just 3 grams of fat, making them a healthy and satisfying option. Whether you're cooking for yourself or the whole family, these turkey meatballs are sure to be a hit. 11th. Keto Beef Stroganoff. If you're craving a hearty, creamy dish that feels indulgent but won't wreck your blood sugar, this keto beef stroganoff is the answer. Imagine the rich flavors of butter, onion, garlic, mushrooms, and beef all coming together in a creamy sauce made with cream cheese and heavy cream. It's comfort food without the carbs. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make and ready in about 30 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights when you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. This dish packs 585 calories, 12.2 grams of carbs, 29.6 grams of protein, and 46.9 grams of fat per serving, making it a filling, satisfying option that won't spike your blood sugar. Whether you're following a keto diet or just want a low-carb meal that doesn't compromise on flavor, this beef stroganoff will hit the spot. Once you try it, it'll quickly become a regular in your dinner rotation. 12. Lemon Chicken Piccata. Lemon Chicken Piccata feels like a restaurant-quality meal but is simple enough to make at home. It's a budget-friendly take on the Italian classic and checks all the boxes for a low-carb, diabetes-friendly dinner. The chicken is tender and juicy, perfectly complemented by a tangy lemon sauce with the right balance of flavors. The best part? It's super easy to make with just a few simple steps and no fancy ingredients. Each serving has 269 calories, 3 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein, and 16 grams of fat, making it a healthy meal that won't spike your blood sugar. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight meal or something to impress guests, this lemon chicken piccata will quickly become a go-to recipe you'll want to make again and again. 13. Low-carb crab cakes. If you're craving crab cakes but want to skip the carbs, these low-carb crab cakes are exactly what you need. By ditching the breadcrumbs, you still get the golden crispiness on the outside and rich crab flavor on the inside without the carbs or gluten. The best part is they keep that perfect texture and bite that makes crab cakes irresistible. These are easy to make and great for anyone on a low-carb or keto diet. With 388 calories, 7.4 grams of carbs, 31.1 grams of protein, and 27.1 grams of fat per serving. These crab cakes are filling and satisfying. Whether you're serving them for a special dinner or just craving seafood, these low-carb crab cakes won't disappoint. They're a great way to enjoy a classic dish without the guilt, and trust me, they're so good you'll forget they're healthy. 14. Stuffed peppers without rice. These stuffed peppers without rice are a vibrant and tasty way to enjoy a low-carb meal. Instead of rice, the peppers are filled with a flavorful mince and cauliflower mix, then topped with melted cheese and fresh herbs for the perfect finishing touch. What I love about this dish is how quick and easy it is, ready in under an hour, and the best part. You can prep them ahead of time, so when it's time to eat, just pop them in the oven. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a family, these stuffed peppers are the perfect go-to dinner. They're hearty, filling, and low-carb with only 335 calories, 11.2 grams of carbs, 18.9 grams of protein, and 24.4 grams of fat per serving. The cauliflower gives you all the comfort of a traditional stuffed pepper, but without all the carbs. It's the ideal meal for anyone watching their blood sugar or just wanting a healthier option. This dish feels like a treat, but without the guilt. 15. Low-carb eggplant Parmesan. This low-carb eggplant Parmesan is a healthier twist on a beloved Italian classic, perfect for anyone watching their carbs or seeking a lighter meal without sacrificing flavor. Imagine golden melted cheese on crispy eggplant rounds paired with rich marinara sauce. This dish gives you all the heartiness and comfort of traditional eggplant parmesan, but with fewer carbs. It's incredibly satisfying without leaving you feeling heavy. With just 241 calories, 15 grams of carbs, 8.8 grams of protein, and 15.7 grams of fat per serving, it's the kind of meal you can feel good about eating. Whether you're craving comforting, cheesy food or looking for a low-carb alternative to pasta, this eggplant parmesan hits all the right notes. It's easy to prepare and great for meal prepping. If you love classic comfort food but want to keep things light, this is your go-to meal. Now that you have these delicious keto-friendly dinner ideas in your recipe arsenal, managing blood sugar while enjoying satisfying meals has never been easier. I hope these recipes inspire you to make healthier, flavorful choices without compromising on taste. And if you're looking for easy, delicious meals that won't send your blood sugar through the roof, make sure to check out our diabetes-friendly cooking channel. We share simple, tasty recipes designed to keep your meals exciting while helping you stay on track with your health. Whether you need quick breakfast ideas, blood sugar-friendly snacks, or hearty dinners, we've got you covered. Hit subscribe and start cooking smarter today. If you've tried any of these meals or have your own favorite low-carb recipes, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Your feedback helps make this channel even better. And don't forget to check out more diabetes-friendly recipes here on the channel. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on new tasty meals that help you take control of your health. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.